Hi, I'm Ben Dusastre. I'm the CFO of Harbinger. Harbinger is a California-based medium-duty trucking OEM. We make truck chassis that underpin FedEx last-mile delivery vehicles, recreational vehicles, and buses. And our elevator pitch is we can sell these vehicles at the same price as diesel trucks because we're the only trucking company in the world that makes its own batteries and motors. When I used to run a family office, there's a saying that says if you've met one family office, you've met one family office, as opposed to all family offices, because they're all so different, and they also don't really want to be found. So an event like this is a perfect opportunity to have people come together that are interested in investing in climate or are raising capital from climate investors, and do it all in a time-efficient way. And you get to present your company on a panel, and maybe there's somebody in the room that wants to invest in whatever financing round you have open. In my space, today you hear them, there's 120,000 trucks in New York today, right? They're all loud, they're noisy, they pollute. The city of New York issued $70 million in fines last year to people who idle their trucks because you're not allowed to let the engine run. So if we had clean trucks in this city, it would be quieter and it would be cleaner. And with Harbinger, it's actually cheaper to own an electric truck than a gas truck.